Hey, it's on. Hey, everybody. It's me, Cardboard Scotty. I'm so excited to talk to you today. I heard about the Sock Puppet Festival, and I want to show you some ways that you can make a sock puppet. Now look, sock puppets can be real simple, and they can be real easy to make. You don't need a lot to do it. Step 1, find a sock. Step 2, put a sock on your hand. Step 3, push the toe of the sock in a little bit like this. You can use your other hand if you like. It's maybe a little complicated. This is the most complicated part, but this is how you make a mouth for the sock puppet. But that's a super simple, easy sock puppet to make. I'm going to name this one Marisol. Hi, Marisol.
Hello.
Now, if you want to make something more fancy, you totally can. I drew some eyeballs on this piece of paper, and then I used some scissors to cut them out, and then I taped them to Marisol so now Marisol has eyes.
I can see.
Or you can find something real fuzzy and make a wig. And now Marisol has hair.
Ooh, rock me, Amadeus.
Now you might be saying to yourself, I don't have a sock to spare. And believe me, I know how important socks are to keep your feet warm. So, if you don't have a sock, you can use all kinds of things to make a puppet. Here's a puppet that I made out of a paper bag. I named it Spike.
Why, hello.
And here's another one you can make out of popsicle sticks. I named this one Professor Sandoval. You can make a puppet out of anything, really. Well, thanks for watching. And if you want to share a picture of your puppet, ask your grown-up to go to imagineneighborhood.org and get in touch. We could add it to our infinite refrigerator. Well, that's all I have for today. I can't wait to see what you make. Cardboard Scotty away! Or stay right here.